My name is Shad Hamadani. I am the CEO of Japanese Auto Repair. I grew up here in the Atlanta area. I went to Chamblee High School, graduated from there. Got my business degree from Mercer University. As a child, I loved cars, I loved airplanes, and I'm proud to say I do what I love, and I run a business that my father started back in 1989. I enjoy what I do. We moved from Iran in 1979 when there was a revolution. We actually escaped from there and moved to the US. My dad back in Iran was a skilled technician. When we came here, he wanted to do something for his own. After working at a few dealerships, he realized that he would love to open a repair shop. So he started Japanese Auto Repair, and that's how Japanese Auto Repair was started. I love fixing cars and being in the automotive industry simply because I love cars. I love how an engine works, how an engine runs, what makes an engine run. As a child, that always, fascinated me. And to be able to pass that on to our customers, it's a joy of mine. And when we tell them how a water pump works or what an axle does to a vehicle, they appreciate that, they like that knowledge. They too have the passion of wanting to know how cars work. What sets Japanese Auto Repair apart, we specialize in Asian make vehicles like Lexus, Toyota, Honda, Acura, Nissan, Infiniti, Mitsubishi, Mazda, Subaru. That's what we specialize in. 95% of repair shops out there are using inferior parts. The parts that they're sourcing are not up to par. They're doing that to keep costs down for customers. At the same time, they don't have skilled technicians or ASC certified technicians. That's what really sets Japanese Auto Repair apart. We are a dealer alternative. All the parts that we use are genuine factory parts. We perform all of our work exactly the way it's performed at factory level, and sometimes even better. Most of the shops out there provide 1-year warranty on their work, where Japanese Auto Repair provides 2 years, 24,000 miles warranty on all the work that we perform. Here at Japanese Auto Repair, we provide service and repairs for all Asian make vehicles, from oil changes to brakes, to service intervals, engine repairs, tires, suspension, alignments. We are your neighborhood dealer alternative. Come see us and experience the difference.